Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve financial success like the experts? In this video, we're going to explore the 10 essential places your money needs to go to help you save more and build a secure financial future. We'll be hearing from real-life success stories of people who have paid off their debt, saved for their dream home, and retired early, as well as the wisdom of financial experts like Dave Ramsey, Warren Buffett, and Bill Gates. So whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the 10 places your money needs to go to achieve financial success. Number 1, one famous debt repayment success story comes from Dave Ramsey himself. At the age of 26, Ramsey had accumulated over $1 million in real estate and had a net worth of $4 million. However, he had also taken over $1 million in debt and was overextended. When the bank called in his loans, Ramsey was forced to declare bankruptcy. After this experience, Ramsey became determined to get out of debt and stay out of debt. He created his debt snowball method, which involves paying off your smallest debt first whilst making minimum payments on the larger debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest debt and so on until all debts are paid off. Ramsey's method worked for him and he became debt-free within a few years. He now shares his knowledge and experience with others through his books, courses, and radio shows. Comment below, what is your money saving goal? Do you want to be debt-free, financially independent, drive Lamborghinis? Number 2, education. As Warren Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. Investing in your education can lead to better job opportunities and higher income. Dave Ramsey suggests taking courses to improve your financial literacy and to make better financial decisions. One inspiring story comes from Oprah Winfrey, who invested in her education by studying communication in college. Despite facing numerous obstacles and setbacks, including being fired from her first job as a television anchor, Oprah persevered and continued to develop her skills in media and communication. Today, she is one of the most successful media moguls in the world, with a net worth of over $2.7 billion. Her success story is a testament to the importance of investing in your education and continuously learning to improve your skills and knowledge. Number 3, one compelling success story that highlights the importance of taking action when it comes to retirement savings is that of a woman named Cindy. Cindy was in her 40s with a modest income, but knew she needed to start planning for retirement. She turned to Dave Ramsey for advice and started following his baby steps plan. She began by creating a budget and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, which allowed her to start building up an emergency fund. Once she had some savings, she started aggressively paying off her debts. Once her debts were paid off, Cindy was able to focus on retirement savings. She started contributing to her 401k plan at work and also opened up a Roth IRA account. She made sure to take advantage of employer matching programs and invested in low-cost index funds just as Ramsey had recommended. Thanks to her dedication and commitment to savings for retirement, Cindy was able to retire comfortably at the age of 65. She now enjoys spending time with her family and traveling. Cindy's story is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to start saving for retirement and that taking action today can lead to a secure financial future. Before we continue on with the list, I just wanted to really thank all of our new subscribers and everyone who has commented on our recent video. I'm really grateful for all your positivity and encouragement, and I just wanted to highlight some of the awesome comments that we had. So if you like a chance for your comment to be featured in the next video, comment below with something awesome. I'll do my best to reply to every single one of you. Let's continue and build an awesome community. Number 4, let's talk about the importance of having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and you never know when unexpected expenses might come up. Maybe your car breaks down, or you lose your job, or you have to smash the like button. That's why Dave Ramsey suggests having an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up. This will help you avoid going into debt when a crisis hits. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. She was a 26-year-old nurse who had just started her career. She had always been financially responsible and had no debt, but she didn't have much saved up for emergencies. One day, she realized the importance of having an emergency fund after her car broke down and needed an expensive repair. After researching different financial experts, she came across Dave Ramsey's advice on building an emergency fund. She set a goal to save up to 6 months worth of living expenses and started to aggressively save. She started by cutting out unnecessary expenses like eating out and buying clothes she didn't need. She also started started a side hustle as a nurse consultant, which brought in extra income. Within a year, Sarah had reached her goal and had saved up enough for 6 months worth of expenses. She didn't have to worry about unexpected expenses anymore and felt more secure in her finances. Number 5, investments. One success story that showcases the importance of sound investment strategies comes from Warren Buffett himself. When he was 11 years old, Buffett purchased his first stock, and by the time he was a teenager, he was already investing in his own business ventures. Buffett's investment philosophy is rooted in patience and long-term outlook. He believes in investing in companies with strong fundamentals and competitive advantages, and he's known for his ability to identify undervalued stocks that have the potential for growth. Similarly, financial expert Dave Ramsey also emphasizes the importance of sound investment strategies in building wealth. Ramsey advocates for a diversified investment portfolio that includes low-cost index funds which allow investors to track performances of the overall stock market. He also stresses the importance of avoiding high-risk investments and not getting caught up in the market fluctuations or short-term trends. By following these principles, many individuals have been able to build significant wealth through investments and secure their financial future. Number 6, saving for major expenses, such as a down payment on a house or a car. Dave Ramsey suggests saving up for a down payment of at least 20% to avoid private mortgage insurance, also known as PMI, and to save money in the long run. One success story of saving for major expense comes from the famous talk show host Oprah Winfrey. She once shared that she saved up for a house for years, even though she could have easily afforded to buy one. She wanted to be financially secure and avoid taking on too much debt, so she waited until she had enough money saved up for a substantial down payment. This allowed her to get a better mortgage rate and avoid the added expense of PMI. By being patient and disciplined with her savings, Oprah was able to achieve her financial goals and set herself up for long-term success. Number 7, housing costs. One success story that exemplifies the importance of budgeting and planning for housing expenses comes from financial expert Dave Ramsey. Ramsey, who is known for his expertise in personal finance, recommends that individuals allocate no more than 25% of their take-home pay towards their housing expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance. Ramsey advises that individuals should aim to pay off their mortgage as soon as possible to avoid being burdened by high housing costs in the long term. He suggests that people should consider buying a home that is within their budget and not overspend on a larger home, maybe beyond their means. Number 8, one inspiring success story that emphasizes the importance of saving for healthcare expenses from a young age is that of a woman named Sarah. Sarah was in her mid-20s when she started her first job out of college, which provided her with health insurance coverage. However, she soon realized that even with insurance, healthcare costs can be incredibly expensive. Sarah decided to take action and started contributing to a health saving account, HSA, which allowed her to save money tax-free for future healthcare expenses. She also made sure to take advantage of her employer's 401k plan and started contributing a portion of her income to it as well. Thanks to her proactive approach to saving, Sarah was able to cover unexpected healthcare expenses without going into debt. She also was able to continue saving for future healthcare needs, including preventative care, which helped her maintain her health and well-being. Number 9, Ramsey shares an example of a family who reduced their grocery spending from $1,200 to $800 per month by making simple changes such as meal planning, using coupons, and buying in bulk. They were able to save $400 per month or $4,800 per year. By prioritizing smart grocery shopping habits and sticking to a budget, young adults can save a significant amount of money each month. As Ramsey says, when you save money on groceries, you're giving yourself a raise. Ramsey, he emphasizes the importance of creating a budget for groceries and sticking to them. Ramsey recommends allocating 10 to 15% of your income to food and groceries, depending on your family size and income level. By doing so, you can ensure that you are not overspending in this area and have enough money left over for further essential expenses. Number 10, entertainment and leisure. Ramsey recommends setting a specific budget for entertainment expenses, such as dining out, vacations, and hobbies. For example, let's say a young couple, John and Sarah, were spending an average of $400 a month on entertainment expenses. After creating a budget and tracking their expenses, they realized they could cut back on unnecessary expenses such as eating out multiple times a week. They decided to set a new entertainment budget of $250 per month, which allowed them to save $150 each month. Over the course of a year, this adds up to $1,800 in savings. John and Sarah were able to redirect these savings towards their emergency fund and retirement savings, allowing them to achieve their financial goals faster. Their success story is a reminder that setting a budget for entertainment and leisure expenses can help you save significant amounts of money over time and prioritize your financial goals. Remember to be proactive with your finances and plan ahead and invest in yourself for a better financial future. Make sure to watch the next video where I'll share with you the ultimate collection of 50 frugal living tips actually work, and shockingly, no one talks about it. You can use them starting today to save an additional up to $1,000 fast and easy. So if you want to be debt free today, you have to.